Jabari, I know you had your own, it's John Greenberg from The Athletic again. I know you had your own career and stuff to worry about, but as a Bulls fan, what did you think of kind of the rise and fall, like what happened with Derrick and seeing how high he went and then kind of how low things got? How did you look at it from afar?
I mean, Derrick had no lows. He didn't, because he still maintained. And, you know, Derrick is a legend, no matter what. Like, I don't like how you explain that.
I meant like just how the injuries and stuff. I didn't.
No rise and falls. Injuries is a part of life. Everybody has an injury, you know, either athletics or normal life. But Derrick is, you know, he's one of the best players to ever play the game and one of the best icons in Chicago. So he accomplished his duty already.
Sam Smith with thebulls.com.
Finish by Derrick Rose. It's a good defensive play. Minnesota's got numbers. Rose gives it up, gets it back, and scores. For the Houston Rockets. If you didn't appreciate Chris Paul before this year, I think those that were, as Rose connects again, I think we've really maybe, and you know, it's their first time in the playoffs. They're struggling, but it's hard to make that excuse when you watch Donovan Mitchell and the entire Philadelphia 76er team. Derrick Rose, who did not play in the third quarter, at 10 points in 9 minutes in the second quarter. Series offensively. Here's Rose. Driving at Tucker, and Rose. How about the game that Derrick Rose has had? I think his energy... They got to get a stop first, though. And they don't because of Derrick
Rose has been invaluable. Here he's off to the races again. Driving into Green, puts it up with an offhand.
Missed three by Houston, something that's been baffling Mike D'Antoni. That's going to be good.
Puts it in, has just continued to attack the rim. Rose picked up by Nene, a three, good. Red three. Rose is there with the leaping rebound. Rose is out of the box and off to the races. Gordon defends. Off to Rose inside on his pogo stick. Back and a timeout taken. Rose works into Paul. Rose three.
Oh, 6 foot point.